Here are the words: shark, large, harm, sharp, start, storm, thorn, shore, scorch, porch, girl, first, birth, thirst, stir, urge, burnt, burst, purse, curve, fern, germ, perch, merge, nerve, burnt, shark, storm, fern, girl, purse, large, thorn, germ, first, curve, harm, shore, perch, birth, burst, sharp, scorch, merge, thirst, urge, start, porch, nerve, stir. Second half: thirsty, favorite, target, concern, adverb, suburb, enlarge, different, occurrence, remark, backyard, desert, dessert. Notice how dessert has two S's. I like to think of it as you want more of it. Reserve, squirted, currently, disturbing, alarms, export, organize, departed, explore, perform, inform, important, desert, thirsty, backyard, suburban, departed, reservation, favorite, currently, enlarged, exploration, desert, targeted, disturbance, difference, performance, squirting, unconcerned, alarming, occurrence, information, organization, adverbs, exporting, remarkable, importance. Here are your words.